I was using the SKY-5301 that came with my gas logs. Before I purchased the SKY-5301, I contacted Skytech's customer service and asked if the 5301 could replace my 3301. I was told that I could upgrade to the 5301 model. The installation was extremely simple. I just added batteries to the 5301, and paired it to my existing receiver box. Voila! The 5301 is so much easier to see and program. Best dollar I've spent on heating since I bought my gas logs. Excellent product. Exactly as advertised and solved the problem. Setup was easy. This product was easy to install and works great. Click link in description for more reviews.